Want to hear a star scene?
Oh, hold on, I'm going to record this real quick.
Okay.
Hi you guys, my name is Oshun the Great, and welcome to my beautiful channel. Today I wanted to get to you guys your weekly Oshun healing message. So for those of you who don't know, this has to do with feminine energy, healing feminine energy, and everything to do with your sacral energy. So we're going to get right into it. Remember that I have all my prices listed below and on my Instagram. Check out my reviews on my Instagram, Oshun_the Great. Alright, so this week's healing energy around Oshun, I'm going to ask that Oshun protects me in this reading, surround me by gold energy. Alright. Okay, so if for those of you who honor the Oshun's energy, this indicates that she, or the feminine energy, the you divine, the goddess energy, is protecting you at this time. So for those of you seeking to be taken care of, or to be gifted, or for beauty, to be surrounded by beauty, or to be more beautiful, things like that, whatever you wish for is not silly. So even if it's materialistic, at this time she is taking care of you. So for those of you even wanting sugar daddies, things like that, I feel like her energy surrounds you at this time, and Marilyn Monroe's energy that's the type of energy this week. So these energies are going to be working with you this week to manifest material things, to manifest riches and wealth into your life. Alright, so the next card. Alright, so again, I pulled this card for my daily reading. This came up for Tuesday's energy, but this is about manifesting a new home. For those of you, this could be it could be the biggest house that you've been dreaming for a while. Gives me kind of like a penthouse energy, sweet type of energy, but whatever you've been trying to manifest that's been huge, whether it's a car, whether it's housing, you could be manifesting that very, very shortly. And a lot of you guys, I feel like a strong energy, a strong masculine energy coming in, so a very strong man to match your hustle. Alright, so this card upright usually has to do with spirituality and being in sync with who you are. But in reverse, it means that you need to remember who you are. So remember, anytime you feel lost, or you don't know, you feel like you're not as creative or sexually liberated even, it's meaning you have to work on that sacral energy. So dance, play, create, try to do outlets such as art, anything that helps you channel that energy. So again, just be careful who you spend your time with. You know who can be trusted, who's real, and who's fake. If people are not reciprocating the way you want them to, cut them off. But some of you guys are learning your lesson very quickly these days, so you could be getting rewarded very faster. This is mostly in dating. So a lot of you guys, your dating life is about to take off, and good news surrounds you with that. Also, don't be afraid to speak up and ask your guides or the universe for what you want, because they're here to serve you. Now, this card is about being receptive to new things. So a lot of you guys are getting ready to set out on a new journey, something that you've never done before. A lot of expansion in business, a lot of expansion in creativity, expansion in perception in your third eye, all of that at once. So your guides are preparing you at this time. So if you feel tired, drained, feeling yourself laying in bed a lot lately, this is just preparing you for this new energy. So the last card here is about new beginnings. So this week is all about newness. So getting invited to certain certain parties, invites around people who you normally wouldn't hang out with, but of higher vibration. You can expect new things all around the board. But yeah, enjoy this new energy and this prosperity and wealth. Be dope, be unapologetically. Peace.